We got a 2017 Honda Pioneer 500. We're going to do a seatbelt bypass so you can go faster than 22 kilometers an hour without your seatbelt on. Right now our seatbelt light is blinking. Just gonna, so you take out the 4 T10 screws right here. You take this part off. There's a little magnet right here. You take this piece off. There's a magnet here. Take that little magnet out. Lay it back together. No seatbelt light. Leave that little piece out. Put your 4 screws back and you're good to go. And that's the seatbelt bypass 2017 Honda Pioneer.